Hey guys, this is Jason here from the Orlando Sandrail channel at Facebook. I just wanted to show you guys a real quick overview of this underbody LED lighting kit that I got to install in the Sandrail. This is the kit that I purchased from Amazon. It's about $28 I think shipped, so I mean real cheap. Give you a closer look at the box, and if I can I'll get the model number and I'll post that in the video. Here you go. Not bad. The kit's pretty cool. It comes with the receiver, obviously 12 volt direct DC to your battery, RGB, sound reactive, it's got fade, it's got flash. It's a pretty decent kit. Comes with four strips total, two each of the 48-inch and two of the 36-inch lengths. The kits are older-fashioned LEDs. However, I have looked at them in the dark. These are really bright, and this is a waterproof stripping that they have in here. The LEDs are coated with some kind of sealant. I'm not sure if that's just like some kind of sealant, some kind of silicone sealant or something. It's pretty flexible. I don't suspect that you would have any problems with this getting water in it or having a problem from water getting in and shorting it out at all. What I do expect might be a problem is the connector that goes to the receiver is just this little snap-in type, and you could get water in there, so you might want to use some like dielectric grease or something, or just plug it in and then put a bead of silicone around it. Comes with pretty decent amount of cabling, so you can run this where you want. I will show you the installation, and I'll show you the receiver. The kit comes with three cables. You've got a positive and negative for your ground terminals on your battery, and it also comes with another third red cable in addition to the antenna. The third red cable is actually kind of unique for this kit, at least from what I've seen. The third red cable goes to your brake light, so that when you step on the brake, the entire LED turns red to coincide with your brake. That's kind of cool, could be useful. One of the things I don't like about the kit is the remote is really cheap. It's really lightweight and comes with this antenna thingy here, this doohickey. This whole remote screams that it's going to break on you, and the kit's pretty much useless without the remote. It's got four buttons, A, B, C, D, along with a light to tell you when you depress the button, and you can change and alter the kit, either the lighting, based on the button combinations that you push. The other thing that's not so great, I mean it works but it's not fantastic, is the instruction manual that comes with this kit is really cheap. I mean, it's obvious the whole thing is made for Chinese, but it works, it's fine, it'll get you through, and it does what it needs. Operating voltage between 10 volts and 15 volts, maximum power rate is 12 watts. So you're not really taking a whole lot of power away when you use this kit, like any LED kit. Stay tuned, and I'll take a look at the actual receiver and the lighting arrangement on the car. So guys, we're back. That's the actual receiver. Now on this side here, we have your positive and negative, along with the red brake light that I was telling you about, and this little thin black cable here is your antenna. On the other side, those cables hanging down that I'm getting ready to plug in, these are your terminal connectors for each of your strings, along with the fourth one there hanging down. These are the ones that I said if you plug it in that I'd put a bit of silicone around it after you finish plugging it in to make sure that it's actually watertight. Now the receiver, as you can see, I've zip tied to the bar here. Excuse my messy wiring. I've enlarged the holes. The kit comes with four metal screws that you can use. I prefer to mount it here, so I enlarge the holes and use zip ties. It's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. So again, stay tuned and I'll show you after the kit's installed, and I'll show you operation and the actual lighting on the car in a dark environment. Stay tuned to the rest of the lighting video. So we're back with a look at the completed installation of the kit in the garage. It is entirely dark here, as you can see. I'm going to turn the kit on. Now the A button on the remote will allow you to cycle through a number of modes, including color changing, flashing individual colors, flashing individual colors, and then of course cycling through the colors in a dim, fade in, fade out. And we're going to try and, so that's blue, green, red, and then of course you've got color cycling, kind of hard to see. There we go. Fade in, fade out. Flashing different colors. Blue flash, green flash, red flash, white flash. And then of course you could cycle back through the colors. Now the other cool thing that I will attempt to show you here, let's get back to a solid color, and you can hit the A button to turn the system into a audio or voice activated mode. And if we do so, as you can see, it works rather well. Could be kind of cool in conjunction with a stereo system. So there you have it, my quick look at the new LED kit. Again, I will put the specific system description that I bought in the description of the video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you want to see me review next.